Riding out today, we're going to go out to the pipeline probably. Gags are in season, we haven't really got on them, so we're going to give it a shot. We got Grant with us here today, AA producer. We got Tyler with us over here. Grant. We got two Grants. We got Tim running the boat over here. Tori in the back. There you go. Hold it when he wants to go, and then when he stops, yank on it.
Like a spider.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's strong.
Oh, yeah. You don't need to go to the gym after this.
I know. The boat is dirty.
Yeah. I've dropped that thing.
Wow. Woo!
His belly. He's bleeding bad though, so don't
Yeah.
Hold them up there.
That thing's as big as you are. Oh God,
Yeah, don't let them fool you for something.
That's what I said. No women, no cry.
Get that man.
I think she's talking.
Stop him. Big man.
The Meg.
There you go.
Tim.
That's what I want. Where you hung up. Finally got a big bite and it's freaking water.
They're gonna come. If you notice, like, the bite just started to kick into place.
Yeah.
Another
It's
man.
starting to lay
God.
down. See? You'll get them. Will. Keep feeding them line.
Yeah.
Even if you feel like you hit bottom, let more line out, and I guarantee you they'll suck it up.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Hold on. Ain't nothing. I'm gonna slay them now. You know how that bite goes. Still got that swim bait on?
No, I actually no problem.
Bring a line, cut up Nice. That's a fatty.
Bonita. Cat.
That's a huge.
Yeah.
I got it.
Had to make a move. Wasn't getting nothing at the pipe, so we're gonna take this drift through here for some red grouper. A little bumpy out there. It's on.
as far as out my coat is in now.
Oh yeah! Buttercup!
That's a good one. Oh yeah, baby.
No, he didn't bite it all the way.
What? No way!
Got him?
No way!
Probably about 25 inches.
No way! You just played that one.
They'll destroy them.
That was a sick bite. Out here on the offshore hookah. Wow. This is a pig.
Yeah, they're about.
This is a pig.
They're about 25 to 26 inches.
Wow. No, don't tell me.
I think
I don't know if it's a gag or this.
Tug 'em.
I used to have a swim bait.
Doing good, doing good.
Like an RG.
There he is, got color coming up.
I let a lot of line out.
There it is. It's either a gag or a big mang. I think it's a gag.
Gag. RG.
Oh, RG.
Whose line is that?
You guys supposed to get a bunch of whole bunch of red grouper out here. Because it's serious, so we get left them. That's all we get out there. There he is. That's a decent one. I don't think it's pretty close to him. Well, he can fit you, slap the head and push the tail.
Got Grant hooked up on the swim bait.
I'm on the wrong side of the camera.
Got 40-40 tackles, 5-inch swim bait. Let's see what's coming up. I got you. And instead of hurting myself real bad, I just went in.
It sounded like it hurt though.
It did.
But I still have the head.
There he is, got color.
Wow. He spit a bait out. Nice. Someone.
Blue one. Doing good. Doing good. Oh, you got bigger.
Yeah, don't tell Glenn about it. He's taller than me. You're putting out
Now we're after some red grouper on this drift around here in the Swiss cheese bottom, about 60 feet of water. I got a standard bottom rig, circle hook, and a front strip, and they're on it. As soon as it hits the bottom, we'll see what happens. Captain says.
that?